We're looking here today at a simulation of two galaxies. It's being simulated on Nvidia's new Maximus platform built upon the Kepler GPU architecture. We have the Andromeda galaxy on the right, the Milky Way galaxy on the left, and built out of 280,000 particles in simulation here. You'll see that in simulation, if you look in the top left there, we're about 3 billion years in the future. And the simulation, once it starts, will continue to show and see how these two galaxies are going to merge and be drawn together by their gravity and come together over time. You may have seen a galaxy simulation work from us before, which was done on our previous generation. That galaxy was limited to that simulation was limited to 20,000 galaxies. Here we have an order of magnitude improvement on the number of bodies that we can simulate. A combination of both the algorithm that's used to do it, as well as the GPU architecture underneath. This algorithm is built, or this simulation is built with the Bonsai multi-node tree code from Leiden University. It came out of Simon Portuguese Schwartz Research Group and developed by Yevgeny Gabarov and Jeroen Bedov. This algorithm utilizes an n log n from its computational perspective for how much is the work needed, whereas the previous algorithms were n squared. This n log n simulation means, or when you look at it, the different particles the simulation is only applied where the bodies are. So you can see as we look at the breakdown in the green lines here, where the simulation work is being applied. We can implement this very efficiently on our new Kepler GPU with the nested parallelism support that CUDA has to help break out the work and give a better experience and a better implementation of that algorithm, giving us an order of magnitude improvement in the number of galaxies that we can simulate in this sense, or number of stars that we can simulate in the galaxies. So as we see, we'll release the simulation, let it run again. We're going in 4 billion years into the future. You'll see the interaction of the stars. They're going to start pulling themselves together and coalescing back into a single galaxy at about 5 billion years in the future. All of this simulation made possible by a Quadro Kepler GPUs and the Maximus platform, where the Tesla card is doing the computation, sending its results back to the Quadro card for visualization, all put together for an interactive simulation of 280,000 stars, showing how the Andromeda and Milky Way galaxy are going to merge into one about 5 billion years in the future.